Hello, people. Good afternoon, wherever you are around the world. This is your man, Jay-Z Fox here. I'm here with you again to share with you some fantastic news for 2024. We just like in the first weeks of 2024, and it's look very exciting. So I'm really very excited about this, and a lot of things are happening all around in ECS 2024 in Las Vegas, Electronic Consumer Show. And but not last but least, I will share with you a few things instead of us like okay giving you a bit of educations about the AI, artificial intelligence. I'll be sharing with you today a very fantastic news, and this fantastic news absolutely at no cost to you. You don't have to pay me a penny, and absolutely I'm here to help you upgrade your life hacks and bring it to really let it generate for you some money on your channels, on your TikToks, on your YouTubes, on wherever you are, you're a creator or you're broadcasting from wherever in your bedrooms. Amazon's is launching a very fantastic about 7 to 8 courses related to artificial intelligence, AI. The trends nowadays is AI, artificial intelligence, and these courses are absolutely online and could take between. It depends on how much time you want to put to it. It takes between 1 month to 3 months, and absolutely after that one. And I tell you, if you don't earn at least a minimum of 200 to 250 US dollar per day, come back to me and tell me, Jay-Z Fox, what you told us wasn't correct. Or what I want you to do, I will send you the links for the course. You have to register yourself free of charge. Do it at your leisure, at your homes or your mobile, wherever you are out and about. And basically, and that's what it is really. It depends how much time you want to put to earn. And this will be the really a big call for you in 2024. Just click like, and share and comments on the link below. And I'll definitely by returns, I will share with you the links on your inbox or on your comments line on this channel. Just go ahead. You don't have to lose anything. So just like and share and comment, really. And I'll share you the links immediately by today or within 24 hours. Thank you so much for joining. And I look forward to welcoming you on board and wishing you all the best with Amazon's AI courses online.